In this video, I am going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets so you can manage your tasks and data more easily. Stick around until the end to make your workflows smoother. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace. Click your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your main account settings menu. Click Settings in the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account and workspace settings. Scroll down until you see Import Export and click it. This is where you can manage integrations and file imports. Choose any spreadsheet and then click Continue. This option lets you import data from Google Sheets or any CSV file. Just choose a workspace you want to integrate the spreadsheet with, then click Continue to proceed. Click Upload a file, then choose your Google Sheet file. That's it. Just continue through the steps to add the sheet to your ClickUp. And that's how you integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!